Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is the radii of two circles are in the ratio of 3:8. If the difference between their area is 2695 pi centimeter square, find the area of the smaller circle. So what is given is the ratio between the radius. These are not the real radius but the ratio. That means the ratios when multiplied with a particular constant will give me the real radius. So let us multiply the ratios with x. So the first term is multiplied by x, we get 3x, that is radius 1, and the second term is 8 multiplied by x, that is 8x. So now the smaller radius will become, as 3 is smaller, the smaller radius is 3x and the bigger radius is 8x. These are the real radius now because we have multiplied the terms of the ratio with a constant. So we get the real radius. Now the difference between the areas is 2695 pi centimeter square. So the bigger radius area will be bigger, so we will write pi r square, that is 8x whole square, minus pi 3x whole square is 2695 pi. Now pi can be taken common in both, so pi is taken common. What is left? 8x square minus 3x square is 2695 pi. Now these pi and pi can get cancelled. So 8x square is 64x square minus 9x square is 2695. Right? 64 minus 9x, 64 minus 9 becomes 55. So 55x square is 2695. So x square is 2695 divided by 55. So we'll get it cancelled. Now it can get cancelled with 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5, 11. 5 fives are 25. 5 threes are 15, 9. Right? Now this will become 11 ones are 11. 11 fours are 45. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Right? So 44, 11 fours are 44 and 53 minus 44 is 9. So 9. So x square is 49 centimeter, not centimeter because it's a constant, so it will just be 49. So x is 7. Square root of 49, that is 7. What will be therefore smaller radius? We will find smaller radius is 3 into 7, that is 21 centimeter. Now what will be the area of the smaller circle? We have to find that pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 21 into 21. 3, that is 22 into 63. 22 into 63 becomes 1386 centimeter square. So this is your area of the smaller circle.